In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about decision making in C. Hello everyone, this is Ajay and welcome to Skills Grow. The topics that we are going to discuss are decision making, if statement, if else statement, nested if statements, if else if ladder, switch statement. So let's get into our first topic, decision making. Decision making statements decides the direction of flow during program execution. Many times we want a set of block to be executed on one condition, an entirely different set on another condition. These statements help C in making such decisions. The decision making statements in C are if statement, if else statement, nested if statements, if else if ladder, and switch statements. If statement. If statement is the most simple decision making statement. General form of if statement. First, we write if keyword, then the condition which is to be tested is written in between parentheses. And the statements which are to be executed are written inside the curly braces as shown. If the condition is true, then the statements below if gets executed. If the condition is false, then the statements does not get executed and the program simply skips past it. Now, let us see an example program using if statement. In the given example, two integers x and y are declared and then they are initialized to 15 and 13 respectively. Then the if statement with condition x greater than y is written followed by printf statement. Since 15 is greater than 13, condition x greater than y becomes true and hence the line x is greater than y gets printed in the output. If else statement. If statement does nothing when a condition evaluates to be false. So, in order to execute a block of statements when condition is false, we make use of else statement. Syntax. As you can see in the syntax, after writing if block, we write else keyword, which is followed by statements which are to be executed when the condition is false, and these statements must be written inside the curly braces. The curly braces can be avoided when only one statement is to be executed. Now, let us see an example for if-else statement. In this example, we have declared two integer variables x and y, and they are initialized to 10 and 15 respectively. Then the if statement with condition x greater than y is written. Since 10 is not greater than 15, the statements in if block is skipped and the statement which is in else block, that is y is greater than x, gets printed in the output. Nested if else statements. We can write an entire if else construct within either the body of if statement or of else statement. This is known as nesting of ifs. Syntax. Firstly, expression in first if statement is checked. If it evaluates to be true, then the condition for second if is checked. If the condition for second if statement is true, statement block 1 is executed, otherwise statement block 2 under else gets executed. If else if ladder. This ladder is used to decide among multiple choices. As soon as a true condition is found, the statement associated with it gets executed and the rest of the ladder is bypassed. In this ladder, every else is associated with if statement. Syntax. Firstly, the condition in if statement is checked, and if it is true, statements below if are executed. Otherwise, else if condition is checked. If it is true, the statements under else if condition are executed. The last else only goes to work if all the else if statements are false. Switch statement. Switch statement allow us to make a decision from number of choices. This statement is usually used in menu-driven programs. The integer expression following the switch keyword is any C expression that will yield an integer value. The syntax of switch statement is: firstly, the integer expression following the switch keyword is evaluated. Then the value is matched with constant values that follow case statement. If any match is found, it executes that particular case statements, or if no match is found, the default block statements are executed. The break statement stops the execution of switch and gives the control to the next statement in the program. Thank you for watching the video and log on to skillsgrow.com for more such courses.